Get ready to banish those annoying white edges and achieve studio quality perfection in your photos with Photoshop's powerful tools. Today, we're diving into how to eliminate those pesky white borders that can ruin an otherwise great image. First, make sure your subject is on its own layer. If it's still part of the background, you'll need to isolate it. We'll focus on removing existing white edges here. One highly effective method is using the pen tool to create a precise selection around your subject. This gives you maximum control. Once you have a good selection, go to Select and Mask here. You'll find powerful tools to refine your edges. The Refine Edge Brush tool is your best friend for those tricky areas like hair or for paint along the white halo, and Photoshop intelligently detects and removes it. You can also experiment with the Shift Edge slider to contract your selection slightly, often eliminating subtle halos without losing detail. For images with softer edges, blending modes can be incredibly useful. Duplicate your layer containing the subject. Change the blending mode of the top layer to multiply or screen depending on whether the white is a light or dark halo. With multiply, white areas become transparent, effectively removing a white halo if your halo is very bright. Try screen instead. Alternatively, layer styles can offer a non-destructive way to manage edges. Select your subject layer. While not for removing halos directly, sometimes a subtle internal stroke with a color that matches the surrounding area can camouflage the edge. Or, consider an outer glow with a blending mode of multiply and a very dark color, set to a small size and low spread to subtly darken the edge and make it blend. For very specific cases, a subtle drop shadow with the spread set to 0 and a very dark color can sometimes help blend a harsh edge by essentially darkening it. With these techniques, you can transform your images by meticulously removing unwanted white edges. Experiment to find what works best for each photo, and let your subjects shine. #Photoshop tutorials #image editing.